FNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Surrender and let go of the past. Always do your best. Whenever you let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's up 15, Nasdaq up 9, S&P's up 4.5. Gold contract down $1.90 at $12.1720. Silver down 21 cents, $15.67 an ounce. Platinum down 10 bucks, $9.06 an ounce. Copper down a penny and a half at $2.66 a pound. Light sweet crude up 54 cents, trading at $46.20 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 4 ticks, 125.12. 30-year bond down 19 ticks, 152.06. King dollar up 8 ticks, 95.520. King dollar, folks, hasn't caught a bid in 6 months. No love. Wants to break out the lows here. We're right next to them. Looks like this market's waiting for the bank earnings tomorrow, the CPI tomorrow. It looks like good old King dollar wants to break down once again tomorrow. Euro. The euro is at 114 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading out at 113 and a quarter to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we had an expansion of volume yesterday, 59 million shares. Much lighter than we're going into. We're going into 132, but you had the expansion. Today, dying on the vine, 25 million shares. We're at 244.32. The high is 245.01. We'll see if the baby guy can hang on to just even the 244.20. You close under 244.20, you get a failure in price, failure in volume. Dow Industrials, we get over to the Dow and we take a look at the Dow. Dow, bottom line, failed on price, failed on volume yesterday, still in that situation. At the highs, but failed on both. The composite, NASDAQ composite, composite is up 9 bucks. It's trying to get into the 26th. So the high of the 26th was 63.03. We made 62.81 today. If we take a look at the volume on this baby, what you're going to see is that right now, yesterday we did 1.8 billion. You're at 1.3 right now. That's going to do about 1.7. The NDX 100, the 3Qs out here, we're at 25 million shares. Yesterday you did 36, so we'll do about 33 today. You're going into 34 as well as the big downdraft of 109 million. I don't expect the NDX 100 to go anywhere. The notes, 10-year note, you get a sideways move out here today. We went higher yesterday with volume. Today you're going sideways with light volume. Yesterday we did 1.6 million contracts. Right now you're at 1.1, so the most it will probably do is about 1.2. That baby wants higher price. When I say higher price, the 10-year, the high of the 10-year right now in the past 3 months is 127.08. We take a look at the 30-year. What you have with the 30-year out here, same type of setup inside the 30. 30-year down 18 ticks. We have done, no, it's going to be a close call, actually. You've done 223,000 contracts. We did 227 yesterday. Yeah, 30 years a close call. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, folks, sideways move out here today. 211,000 contracts. You're down $1.90 right now. The number to keep your eye on is the 2. It's right where we are, actually. It's going to be actually 60 cents higher into the close. It's 1217.80. Right now, you're at 1217.20. 1217.80 is the swing point from May 9th, and that swing point got taken apart last Friday. That's when gold went from 1228 to 1206, and it had volume on that move. We go take a look at the silver contract. Silver out here is trading at $15.68. It's done 73,000 contracts. See what we have here. That's not a bad setup. Okay, so silver's coming into 125,000 contracts. That's a decent setup. You're backing down with lighter volume. As I said a little bit earlier, notes and bonds, they just want higher price. It's pretty amazing how they're shaking out. King dollar. What do we get with King dollar? King dollar is going to be the number, folks. When I say the number, it's going to be like, I suspect that's going to be the shocker in the market, because what we have here is this. 103, that's when King dollar topped out January 3rd. We're at 95,520. We've hit 95,245 this morning, early this morning. The low is 95,225. So we haven't hit the low yet. That being said, what is happening is that you are hammering into that low, and you're hammering into that low with volume. So I suspect, number one, it's going to break. Number two, when we take a look at this on a longer term aspect, what you're looking at on a continuous contract is that it's wide open to go to the bottom of the consolidation. The bottom of the consolidation is 91,880. You know, because we broke, and we broke hard. The bottom line is that it's been a one-way move, no doubt. XAU, HUI, XAU out here today has rejected lower price. Got down to 79.26. Right now you're at 79.95. Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup inside the Gold Bugs Index. Gold Bugs Index got to a low today of 183.12. Right now you're at 185.14. Some of the high volume stocks out here, and this is going to be a low volume market out here today, I suspect. But some of the higher volume stocks in this market, you have Advanced Micro down 68 cents. NVIDIA is down $1.88. Now, that's going to be interesting. I'll bring that up because that was up pretty good this morning. You have Target up 224. That's a dead cat bounce. That chart is a mess. You get Citigroup down 7. Now, tomorrow morning, banks tomorrow morning are going to kick this off at 7 o'clock. You get Citigroup. You get JP Morgan Chase. eBay is down 25 cents. You get PayPal Holdings up 118. If we do go over and we take a look at, let's go right into the XLF. XLF out here, folks, is up 11 cents right now. 29 million shares traded. You're going into 82 million shares as well as 69 million. Bottom line, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, that's when good old JP Morgan is going to kick these numbers off. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now up 20. NASDAQ's up 10. S&P's are up 5.5. We're going to be right back.